Hello my lovely people, how una dey? I hope so una dey fine. Today video I wan show na how I take make this beautiful hair. So here dey start, so I'll first weave her hair, cornrow and go back. I'll cornrow like that, go back. Even if you no get edge control, you fit do this hairstyle, you go still like the hair. So I all continue around like that. So for you, they braid and they go. Now see as I they do the hair, so as I take the cornrow and they go. You know see so for you, they braid down like that. They carry the hair, they enter, they braid down. My lovely people, I appreciate all of una till they take una time, till they watch my video, till they support me, till they comment. I really appreciate. So this hair now, you're the weaver, they go, I want weave and reach the ending. Show now see so as I dey weave I dey pick the hair from this side, from the other side. They add the hair, join on, they weave and they go. So I don't weave the hair now reach the ending. Now see yeah, I don't braid down now. So as I don't braid the hair finish now, I don't do the weaving finish. Now go see as I will still put all the hair extension now. Now see I take small hair, I use crochet pin or crochet needle. I put the hair for inside, I close her, I softly drag the hair come out. Now not see her like that. That's how I take one. So I go add another one now. If I put her for inside, I'll close her. I will drag the hair come out. I not see her like that. I'll softly they arrange and they come. Now so I'll take arrange all the hair put before I start to the weave them. I don't see her. Just softly arrange them like that. If I put the needle across her, I'll put the hair, I go close her. I'll drag the hair come out. I'll arrange her. Now see as I do her now, softly put her, you close her, make sure say you close her. You bring the hair out like that. Now see her. So I drag all the hair come out step by step. I don't put the hair finish now. I'll come start the cornrow. So I start the weaving now. The front one I come share into 3. Now see I just share into 3 like that. I'll start the cornrow. So I'll braid the hair now. As I dey braid down, I dey add for the both side. Now see now, I take for that side. Now not see I take for that side, I go braid down. I'll take for this side. I'll dey braid down. Like say you dey take the natural hair, so you dey take for the both side. So if I take for here, right and left, I'll take for the other side too. I'll use the braid down. So this style now very simple style. And the style not they pay at all because my customer tell me say not even feel like say and they make her hair. And see as the hair be. And they take for this side. You take for the other side now. you dey braid and they go. I go take another one now for this side. I'll take for the other side. I'll braid them. Now on top of that cornrow, when I first do now that same line, now they carry and they follow. If I take for the down, I take for the up side. Now see and so I take the down. You all continue the cornrow, you the cornrow. And so I take cornrow the hair now. Now see and say don't they fall put for the line. You know even be like say another one fed the inside. So so free the braid down now. Now feel learner. This one not your hard at all. You take for there. Take for the up one. The cornrow, they go. Don't see This one a simple style where you're the trend now. Still do your own. A very beautiful hairstyle for summer with this so. Now you braid the hair. Now see the hair. So you can roll the hair, continue. So you continue the hair like that. You so free they arrange and they braid and they go. So now so the cornrow reach, you braid them. Just braid them now. You see, so I'll twist the tip now, the tip of the hair. That's why I take braid all. Now see, and I see the final look. So I know I made the video too long. I beg my lovely people, if you never subscribe before you go. I appreciate all of you now. Go see you now for my next video.